Have you ever wondered how to seamlessly get products from your dropshipping supplier to your eager customer, especially when you're using a platform like Spocket? It's a question that often arises for new and even experienced dropshippers. The process might seem a little daunting at first, with a few clicks and confirmations involved, but trust me, once you understand the flow, it becomes second nature. Imagine this. You've worked hard to set up your online store, you've meticulously chosen your niche, and you've even made your first sale. Congratulations. That's an incredible achievement. But then, a new thought creeps in. Okay, I've made the sale, but how do I actually get the product to my customer? How do I fulfill this order? This is where Spocket steps in as your powerful ally. It's designed to simplify the order fulfillment process, connecting you directly with suppliers who are ready to ship products to your customers, often from locations much closer to them, leading to faster delivery times and happier customers. The beauty of Spocket lies in its integration with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and Wix. This means that when a customer places an order on your store, that order information is automatically pulled into your Spocket account, making the entire fulfillment process incredibly streamlined. You don't have to manually copy and paste customer details or product information, which significantly reduces the chances of errors and saves you valuable time. Before we dive into the step-by-step process of fulfilling an order, let's quickly recap what makes Spocket such a valuable tool for dropshippers. Firstly, it offers a vast catalog of high-quality products, many of which are sourced from the US and Europe. This is a huge advantage, as it often means faster shipping and higher quality control compared to some other dropshipping platforms. Secondly, Spocket pre-negotiates discounts with suppliers, allowing you to enjoy healthy profit margins. And finally, their focus on automation and ease of use is what makes fulfilling orders so straightforward. So, you've made a sale. The notification pings on your phone, or you see it in your store's dashboard. What's next? The very first step in fulfilling an order on Spocket is to navigate to your Spocket dashboard. You'll find a dedicated section for your orders. This is your mission control for everything related to customer purchases. When a new order comes in from your e-commerce store, it will appear here, usually marked as unfulfilled or pending. Once you're in the orders section, locate the specific order you want to fulfill. You'll see details like the order number, the customer's name, the products ordered, and the total value of the order. This is your chance to quickly double-check that all the information looks correct before proceeding. Now, here's where the magic happens. For each order, you'll see an option to check out or process order. Clicking this button initiates the fulfillment process. Spocket will then display a summary of the order, including the product details and the customer's shipping address. This is a crucial step to ensure accuracy. Take a moment to review the customer's name, address, and the specific items they ordered. You want to make sure there are no typos in the address, which could lead to shipping delays or even lost packages. After confirming the order details, Spocket will prompt you to pay for the product. Remember, with dropshipping, you only pay for the product after your customer has paid you. This is one of the key advantages of this business model. You don't hold any inventory, which significantly reduces your upfront investment and risk. Spocket allows you to securely pay for the product directly through their platform, usually using a credit card or a linked payment method. The price you pay is the wholesale price, which is lower than the retail price your customer paid you, ensuring your profit margin. Once your payment is successfully processed, Spocket will automatically send the order details to the supplier. This is where the supplier takes over. They will then pick, pack, and ship the product directly to your customer. You don't have to lift a finger beyond this point. Spocket acts as the intermediary, ensuring that the communication between you and the supplier is seamless and efficient. After the supplier has shipped the order, they will update the tracking information within Spocket. This is incredibly important because it allows you to provide your customer with real-time updates on their package. Spocket will automatically pull this tracking information and, depending on your store settings, it can also automatically update your e-commerce platform and even send an email notification to your customer with their tracking number. This proactive communication builds trust and enhances the customer experience. Customers appreciate knowing where their order is at every step of the journey. It's always a good practice to periodically check the status of your fulfilled orders within Spocket. While the process is largely automated, occasionally there might be a hiccup, like a tracking number not updating immediately or a supplier needing clarification. Being proactive and monitoring your orders helps you address any potential issues before they escalate, maintaining customer satisfaction. What if a customer orders multiple products from different suppliers? This is a common scenario in dropshipping. Spocket handles this gracefully. If a single order contains items from different Spocket suppliers, each item will be processed and shipped by its respective supplier. You would simply repeat the checkout process for each item, paying for each product individually. Spocket will manage the communication with each supplier separately, ensuring all parts of the order are fulfilled. The customer might receive multiple packages, but as long as you communicate this clearly on your store's shipping policy, it's generally not an issue. Another crucial aspect of order fulfillment is returns and refunds. While we hope all your customers are thrilled with their purchases, sometimes returns are unavoidable. Spocket has a clear returns policy, and it's essential to familiarize yourself with it. Generally, if a customer wants to return an item, they would contact you, the seller. You would then communicate with the supplier through Spocket's platform to initiate the return process. This usually involves the customer shipping the item back to the supplier. Once the supplier confirms receipt of the returned item, you can then issue a refund to your customer through your e-commerce platform. Spocket's support team is also there to assist you with any complexities that might arise during returns. The entire process, from receiving an order to the customer receiving their package, is designed to be as hands-off as possible for you, the dropshipper. This automation allows you to focus on other crucial aspects of your business, like marketing, customer service, and finding new winning products. By leveraging Spocket's robust fulfillment system, you can scale your business without getting bogged down in the logistical complexities of shipping. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.